Hey guys, Danie here from VapeKing Fourways Mega Store, and today I've got quite a treat for you. We are going to unbox the Drag X Plus, and I'm trying this new flavor from Vape Republic, Snowball. Alright, let's get to it. This is the latest from VooPoo. The Drag X Plus comes with a TPP tank instead of the normal PNP tank. This one is a little bit bigger. It's 5.5 mil capacity, but it also works with the same magnet and plug and play system as the PNP tanks. Okay, let's see what's in the box here. We have the Sandy Brown Drag X Plus mod. This mod goes up to 100 watts. It's got a smart function, it's got RBA mode, it's got everything except you can either put in a 21700 battery or 18650 with a sleeve. Alright, in here, beautiful, 2 coils of course. There is a TPP DM1 which is 0.15 and a TPP DM2 which is a 0.2 coil. Today we're going to be setting up the 0.1 coil because, well, max wattage, max flavor, of course. This device also is USB-C charged, so it is fast charging. No more sitting for 4 hours waiting for a battery to charge. Bam, USB-C, hour and a half, 2 hours, we're done. Alright, this is everything. Of course, there is a user manual inside if you need any more information on it. Okay, let's check it out. So firstly, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to prime the coil. Priming the coil, of course, is very necessary so that you don't just burn it out on the first go. So here we go, and this is the juice. Let me tell you a bit about the juice. This is an amalgamation of snow cone and 8-ball by Vape Republic. They have taken their very popular blue raspberry flavor and of course their VapeCon winner 2 years ago, pineapple, tropical pineapple on ice, and they've made one juice. How amazing is it that 8-ball and snow cone forms snowball? Super. I'm going to do a little finger test to check how it is. I've had both the juices individually and I haven't had this one combined. So let's check it out. Jeez, wow. Oh, and the flavor, ooh. Okay, just straight off on the finger test, I'm getting blue raspberry, and still lingering in my mouth is that hint of pineapple in the back. Ooh, this is gonna be unbelievable in here. Okay, let's set it up. All right, so we're going to make sure that it is very wet on the inside of this coil to ensure that it doesn't burn, as well as on the outside. Now this is a very powerful coil, so it's going to heat up very quick. Alright, so now let's get to it. Oh, let me tell you about this tank. This is a polymer tank, it's not glass. It's beautiful, so no more breaking your glass every time it drops. Also, it has a removable 810 mouthpiece, so you can put your mouthpiece on, or if someone else wants to try it, you know, just swap it out or whichever. Alright, and of course with these tanks, it's amazing, it's plug and play. So we're going to take the coil any which way and just plug it in. And it does have an anti-leak system, and it's right here. So once you take out this little rubber and you fill it up and you close it, this tank does not leak. Alright, let's fill it up. I'm quite excited to try this, especially on this tank. There we go. And today I'm going to be using a 18650 in this. Please make sure your battery wraps are always in perfect condition and that there are no tears, that they are just basically perfect. And if you do not have them, any Vape King near you should have battery wraps and they will wrap it for you. Alright, battery in, positive side to the bottom. And there we go. Switching it on, 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Like I said previously, this device has a smart mode. That'll be the yellow with the S. If you tap this button 3 times, it'll go into the blue mode, which is the R, which is for rebuildable. This is where it doesn't automatically set the watts for you, and you get to set it yourself. Especially if you have a rebuildable, this will work perfectly. We, however, are just going to use this in smart mode because the TPP tank and smart mode is perfect. So 3 clicks on smart mode. All right, there we go. Automatically sets it to 65 watts. This is amazing. 65 watts. Very excited. Let's give this a go. Quite a big cloud production of that. Sure, we'll do another one. This juice is absolutely amazing. I'm getting a lot of pineapple on my inhale, and then on the exhale I'm getting a little bit of blue raspberry. I'm getting blue raspberry now afterwards. Yes, this is just, it's beautiful. Sorry, you gotta see me. All right, one more. Oh, this is so good. Wow. Such a big cloud, such a huge amount of flavor. This just, it brings out the flavor of snowball just perfectly, really. If you set up the watts, it'll give you a max for the coil as well, and it'll say max power, and you cannot go over the max power for this coil in smart mode. So it also reduces the chance of you burning a coil out for no reason. All right, that's all from us guys here at Fourways Mega Store. Vape King, till next Wednesday.